Hi folks, today we're going to show you a little bit of a process to help you minimize getting water inside your coach. If it's been pouring down rain outside and you want to bring the slides in, but you've got a bunch of water on the roof of your slide outs. So the basic process there is we want to tilt the coach to the side, to the driver's side where the slides are on this coach, and to minimize, let all the water run off and minimize water coming inside the coach. After we get the slides in, I'll show you the wiper that pretty much puts most of the water, leaves it outside, doesn't let it come inside. So right now, I'm going to use the leveling system on the coach to lean the coach to the driver's side. I'm going to manual control. With the valid slide controls, I'm dumping the driver's side of the coach. We're tilting the coach to the driver's side. Normally from ride height level, you've got approximately 4 inches up or down that you can move the coach. And so we've dumped that driver's side of the coach. Now I'm going to bring the slide in. Okay, the slide is in, and now I want to show you this rubber wiper that's on both sides of the slide seal, and it is always contacting the wall of the slide all the way around, even around the corners, top and bottom corners. And that wiper prevents water or dust or anything from coming inside the coach when the slide is moving. So if that's in good shape, which it normally is, we haven't had a lot of trouble with those slide wipers. And so that will take off the majority, or 95 to 98% of the water. You might still get a little streaks inside the coach, but the majority of it's going to stay outside.